Hello, sixth graders. Today we are going to be talking about ways to reduce the spread of germs. I'm guessing no one enjoys being sick. Some sicknesses, such as diabetes or asthma, are not catching or contagious because they are not caused by germs. Other sicknesses are caused by germs and can be passed from person to person. This means that they are contagious. So, how are germs spread from one person to another? Well, by touching an article with germs on it, being airborne, so in the air, or carried by an animal. So today we're going to learn how we can reduce sicknesses that are caused by germs by reducing the spread of germs. We are going to be talking about the 4 keys for germ busters. And the first key is to keep your germs to yourself. Please don't be offended when I say this, but every one of us is germy. Yes, every person has germs, and most of them don't make us sick, but some of them do. If we pass our germs to others, our germs might make the other person sick, even if we don't feel sick. So some ways to keep your germs to yourself: stay home when you're sick. Stay away from people who are sick with a contagious illness. Don't drink from someone else's glass or can of pop. Don't share a water bottle. Don't share food or silverware that someone else has used. If you need to spit, do it in a sink, a toilet, or a tissue, not on the ground. And use a tissue once and throw it in the trash can. The second key: stop germs from growing in places that people contact. Since we already know that everyone has germs, it makes sense that the more people touch something, the more germs will be present. Germs like to grow in places that come in contact with lots of people or animals, such as doorknobs and faucet handles. If we don't keep germs from growing, they can spread easily. So some things that you can do: use clean silverware. Wash dishes with soap and water before using them again. Keep cold food cold. Clean your desk, your keyboard, and other surfaces regularly. All right, the third key: stop germs from moving from person to person. Certain behaviors can allow germs to move from one person to another very quickly. Make sure to sneeze into your elbow. Cover your nose and mouth when you cough. Wash your hands after using the bathroom. Wash your hands before eating, before handling food, after blowing your nose, after touching items that lots of other people have touched, and after playing with an animal. You also want to make sure after you wash your hands that you dry them on a clean paper towel and use it to turn off the running water. And keep your hands away from your face. Our fourth key is to keep your body healthy so it can fight off germs. Since we all have germs and we all come into contact with germs, it is important that we help our body kill the germs that we contact. So make sure you get your 9 to 11 hours of sleep each night. Eat a variety of vegetables of all colors each day. Eat plenty of fruit and get 60 minutes of physical activity every day. You're going to have a flip grid to share with me a bumper sticker. On your bumper sticker, I want you to pick one of the 4 keys and share with me a message that you want to spread that supports one of the keys for germ busters. I'm going to share with you my message that I want to spread in my bumper sticker that I made to share with you.